So we often will notice that boys and girls may play very differently when they're very young. And it may be a stereotype that boys like to play rough and rumble and girls are more sensitive with dolls. But if we allow that expectation that we have that boys and girls play differently, we should also make allowances for the fact that boys and girls may choose to express emotions differently. The danger of stereotyping males and females into particular gender categories for emotional expression is that we may deny growing boys the opportunity to learn how to regulate their emotions, how to give words to the feelings, and we risk not being able to recognize when they're unable to verbalize for us. An example may be a young boy could very violently and vigorously be playing with his toys, breaking off heads of dinosaurs, banging things against the wall, and we instinctively assume that it might be because it's the way boys play. But a sensitive and attuned parent might be watching this over a period of a few weeks and notice that perhaps this child struggles to relay his emotions. A young child may not be able to say, "I'm feeling sad," but may actually be feeling very sad, and this frustration comes out in aggression. We often see that in young children who lack the words to verbalize emotions but actually play it out. And if we at a very young age don't teach our children to be able to say, "I'm crying because I'm sad," or "I don't feel okay today," rather than us being quick on the defense to say things which are unhelpful, like "boys don't cry," what we're actually doing is saying to the developing child, "It's not okay, it's not real, and you need to hide the feeling." And it may seem something quite simple at a young age, but how that translates later on into early adolescence or later in life is the inability of growing boys, for example, to express emotions and then turn this inwardly. This can then manifest in terms of teen emotion dysregulation, which comes out as self-harming, destructive behaviors, seeking out substance use, being the kinds of children that we don't want our children to develop into, who struggle to regulate emotions, but more importantly, struggle to verbalize those emotions.